All right, y'all. My dog ate up most of my seat, even though my seat was kind of bad off just the top of the material. So I'm gonna rewrap it. I patched it up with some like foam, and I replaced all the rest of the foam. Let me take y'all outside so they don't y'all can see better. Y'all see a little better. Let me see. All right, y'all. Let me get it in here. Alright, let me grab this. Take it over here. Alright, y'all. Now I put it on the front of the cutty. But anyway, I need y'all to see it, so that's why it's on the front of the cutty. Here you go. That's my 4-wheeler seat, my Yamaha. Man, I patched it up with some foam. Cause like I said, my dog got hold to it and started ripping all of the seat up. So all the pieces that I found in the back, I kind of patched it and put some adhesive glue on it and filled in all the spots to it. And this was just foam to fill in the crack. Most of it is pretty good. I know it ain't gonna feel as smooth and that's the original, but man, we gonna make it work. Regardless, we gonna make it work. Got a little piece right there. I'm gonna show you this little piece thing. Cause everything else feel pretty good. Everything else feel heavy Chevy. And one thing, man, I'm getting this interior done. This video ain't even about this Chevy, but I'm getting my interior done right now. I put new carpet in this thing. I got a new headliner, new suede headliner in that thing, man. Got new plastic in here, dashboard done, steering wheel, everything redid. I'm doing my back deck right now. My seats in the shop. Y'all stay tuned to that video because I know I said something about I was gonna post before and after. I still got that video, so I end up coming over here to let y'all see where I'm at. But yeah, door handles. These my door handles. I had to replace like the cardboard. It was like some wood. I think I got some pieces somewhere in here. Hold up, let me see. I got some pieces in here. There we go. Here are the pieces. All right, let me show you what I'm talking about. So anyway, the wood on it got old. This being the inside of the box Chevy doors. And you put the clips in them. I think I got a whole pack of clips. I can show you the clips. A lot of people, y'all know what I'm talking about, but I'm still finna show you anyway. So nigga, hold on. Let me see. Here they go right here. All right, so these the clips right here. So these clips, you put them in the door to make sure your door handle stay on and don't be flopping off, and when you pull it, it don't be all loose. So these right here wore out now. So the door ain't gonna stay on no more. So that's what I had did. I made some templates of these out of fiberglass. This just the leftover piece. So that's why I'm going back to here to show y'all. I made everything out of this. And I drilled these holes through here to bolt it back on there because they had some rivets on the top of here. So that's what I did to replace the whole thing. I put every hole, everything, marked it up, designed it up. These the two back doors, and these the two front doors. Right here. So yeah, my seat's at the shop, but I gotta drop these doors off because I had to make these before I dropped them off. But anyway, man, y'all stay tuned. I'm finna get ready to wrap this 4-wheeler seat. I just want to go off to that to show y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all all up on one whole video though, so y'all can see where I'm at and get a before and after of the seats and the interior and everything. I know I did like a I think I did some video of me pulling down this headliner and getting all the old material off and cleaning it real good, getting the adhesive spray. I had hell getting it. All right, so I had to bring this in the house, man. Got to get all this foam off the top of it from the last time. And they're gonna give me a scraper. The door last. I think it got some low blades in the inside of here. Yep, some low blades. So. Yep, but that's what I've been doing. I've been scraping it, pulling it all back. I just been holding it back as I scrape it, so I can't have to scrape it all up somehow. But this real fragile, man. Yep, it's real fragile. I had to fix this part. I had to fix that part down there. The corners, getting it out the car. Man, them corners so hard to keep from breaking, bro. Like, anyway, I got mine fixed though. I fixed them. They hard and strong. They ain't going nowhere. But this a thin layer and it's real fragile. So you gotta treat it real nice. You break this, it's gonna be hard to find, especially like them old school, man. I'm gonna cut y'all back on when I get it together. Scrape all this off and I'm gonna clean it up again after I get all this off to try to get a little bit more of this glue off because I don't like that much. I may sand it down a little bit, then clean it a little with a little acrylic rub or something to try to get the little excess little sand on it, you know. Then I'm gonna put the glue down and we're gonna lay down the turf. Matter of fact, it came in. Let me show it to y'all. I'm talking about turf, not turf. I'm thinking about outside the garden. My headliner. We got the good material. Suede. Anyway, man, let me get back to it. We got it up. And going, my dog almost matched my headliner. But I put an X in the middle to be able to tuck the back. I'm put a little bit more adhesive spray because I want that to tuck over so it can smash it down when it get done. Anyway, I got the hole for the headliners. Sun visor hole right here. This for the clothes hanger rack. Boom. And I think I didn't show y'all. These are the side panels for the side. I wrapped them earlier. It's easy. You ain't got to do but tuck it to the whole back of it. So, we ready. We're gonna put that roof back up in there. That's the other side panel. We gotta get these sun visors wrapped. I still got more material in this roll. I had about like I don't know exactly how long it was, but anyway, I got more material right here. Extra material so that I can get my sun visors wrapped as well. So that'll be everything. I'm thinking about if I get a console, I can get that wrapped too. I know I'm gonna get a console, but I didn't think of wrapping it my seats color, or was I gonna go with this color? I may go with this wrap right here since I got extra material. But yeah, man, it turned out nice, man. I'm excited about it. Y'all like and comment, subscribe. Let me know, man, what y'all think about the headliner, how the job was. Would you pay for something like this? You know? Peace video. I know y'all probably got the carpet video. If y'all didn't, man, y'all go tune in. Like, comment, subscribe to LTC Garage, man. Share them videos, man. Like some of them videos so that them things can get in the right type of algorithm, man. So y'all can see some box Chevy shit. And yeah, I know everything. Pearl. Everything Pearl, man. Everything Pearl, man. Paula, man. Yeah. Anyway, stay tuned, man. I'm for the wrap these seats. Let me show y'all what I'm for the wrap me. I got some black snake skin. Snake. It's alligator. See that now? I'm gonna put this on here. So this what I end up getting. I know this long enough, and it's folded sideways. That's long enough, and it's folded sideways because it's so long. I may just catch the best part of it and run it across the middle of this seat. Because last time the seat came with this black regular material. I just want to make it a little exotic. So yeah, we're gonna wrap this thing up, man. Y'all stay tuned. There we go. That's the finished result, guys. I let it sit in the sun a little bit, man. Now it look good. Way better than I thought it was gonna turn out. See? I'm gonna 4-wheeler seat. I'm gonna some water. Check it out.